Hickory, North Carolina pressure washing. If you are trying to find reliable pressure washing in Hickory, North Carolina, this video breaks down everything you need to know about selecting a trusted contractor, understanding the process, and achieving outstanding results for your property. We service driveways and sidewalks in Hickory, NC, making them safe for families with kids or seniors who may struggle with uneven surfaces. Our team uses high-pressure washers to clean exterior walls and buildings, removing dirt, grime, and mildew that can damage wood and stucco over time. We specialize in cleaning septic systems and grease traps on restaurant properties in Hickory, NC, ensuring compliance with environmental regulations and keeping food handlers safe. From patios and decks to garage floors and porches, our team uses specialized equipment to power wash any exterior surface, restoring its original appearance and protecting it from further damage. Professional pressure. Washing in Hickory, North Carolina removes years of buildup from exterior surfaces, restoring their original appearance and extending their lifespan significantly for property owners. Our trained technicians use industry-standard equipment and techniques to deliver thorough pressure washing results on residential and commercial properties throughout North Carolina. Regular pressure washing prevents damage caused by mold, mildew, and environmental contaminants that accumulate on outdoor surfaces over time in Hickory, North Carolina area properties. Our team is dedicated to serving the Hickory, NC community with exceptional service and attention to detail. We understand that time is valuable, which is why we work efficiently to complete each job on schedule. By partnering with us, homeowners in Hickory, North Carolina can enjoy a cleaner, safer outdoor space without breaking the bank. We strive to offer competitive pricing and flexible scheduling options to fit your busy lifestyle. The pressure washing process can be overwhelming for our team, but we understand that it's necessary to keep your property clean and safe in Hickory, North Carolina's humid climate. Dealing with stubborn dirt and grime on outdoor surfaces like driveways and sidewalks can be a challenge, especially when they're exposed to the elements in North Carolina. Many of our clients ask us how often pressure washing should be done for optimal results, and the answer varies depending on factors like usage and soil type in the Hickory, North Carolina area. In addition to regular cleaning, our team also focuses on preparing surfaces for special events or holidays, making them perfect for outdoor gatherings in the foothills of North Carolina. We're proud to serve Hickory, North Carolina with reliable and efficient pressure washing services, helping homeowners maintain their property values and curb appeal year-round. Our local team understands the challenges of cleaning outdoor surfaces in a humid climate like Hickory and C's, so we use the right equipment and techniques to ensure a thorough clean every time. By hiring a pro, pressure washing can safely and effectively remove tough dirt and grime, restoring your home's exterior to like-new condition, extending its lifespan, and increasing property value. If you are looking for pressure washing in Hickory, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can provide you with a free estimate, scheduling, and reliable service to clean your home or business today. Click the link below to learn more